Northampton, right across from the Beach Plum. Hopefully this rips out some sand. High tide. A little bit further north, they had the front end loaders out beefing up the shale pile there in between Jeunesse and Wallace. Pretty awesome. There's some crazy surfers out on Cable Road. I don't know if I'd be out here in that. I got a little too close on Cable Road. I was standing on a rock above the beach. I still got creamed by a big wave. Got some cold, wet feet right now over the boots. This is our hot spot down here. We'll see how it looks once the tide pulls out, see if it rips back some sand. Crazy. Crazy surf. You can't even see the point. Usually right across from these cottages. You go out to the point, rocks. It's pretty much always exposed. Nothing there now. You won't be able to get out there. I don't know. Maybe before dark. Probably tomorrow. That's one angry ocean. This could be good. We'll see. This one's been good this winter. A little bit at Jeunesse. Pirates Cove has been sanded in even after storms. Same thing with Wallace. Who knows, maybe this one will tear it up a little. You got plows out today too. Plows are actually plowing sand and rocks off the road, not snow today. There he is over there. Crazy. Gonna be some cleanup today for sure. I parked my car a little bit back today. You can see right by the wall here in Northampton, main beach. You see in the parking lot the size of some of those boulders that got thrown up. You want to be in the way of some of those. This could be good. The detectorists, we'll see. We shall see.